This is a look where you just wanna give side view vibes. Like we don't, we are here, we are side view. We're like diva on some Eric Badu. I guess I'll see you next lifetime. Maybe we'll be butterflies. As interesting fact, well, it's interesting to me, but yeah, I initially called this channel Back to My Roots. Yeah, and then the theme was gonna be like, what is it? Not that song.
Oh, I'm going back to my roots. Oh, I'm going back to my roots. That was gonna be my intro.
I don't know, I can still do it, but yeah. Anyway, guys, this is the tutorial. Please click the thumbs up button or the thumbs down. Totally up to you. And leave a comment on the comment section below. And would you try this? Yes or no? Maybe. And maybe on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was it? Or for me, I think this one on a scale of difficulty, I think it was around, because of the method that I initially used, it was around 7. But you'll see in between the clips, I actually have like a clip of an alternative way to do it, I think, which is so much easier. I don't know, if I didn't do videos, I don't know what I'd be doing during this quarantine time. But yeah, reading a book. I think it's The Richest Man in Babylon. Oh my gosh, that is such an interesting read, guys. Yeah, so it's about money and saving. Like there's like nuggets of wisdom somewhere there. It's just an interesting read, so do check that out. So yeah, guys, please enjoy this video. I'm just gonna tie these together. So I have like 5 of these. And now I'm just gonna, in the opening of this one, I'm just gonna slide this one in, yeah, through the ribbon. And continue braiding, né? So I'm just gonna go in, continue braiding. 1, 2, and that one that's left, I'm just gonna continue. Yep. So guys, it's easier with a braid, with a ribbon, né? I just want it to be like, just want it to be extra, but it's honestly, it's far easier with a ribbon, a rubber band or a ribbon. So on through. So just make sure that every time you place a ribbon, it's on the same side, né? And it's, you leave the same kind of spaces in between, so that, you know, the whole thing about symmetry. Yeah, so let's try to do that, even if it's not perfect, guys. Like, just have fun with it. Kid, so easy. Yep, so don't forget that that knot must go to the back neck. It must always be facing the back. Just imagine that this is the side that's going to be on your head neck, so you don't want this to be showing. It's a bit untidy, but I think for now we are kind of like seeing what I'm trying to achieve. So you just braid, and on the braid that's inside towards this, you kind of take the first you add it into the hair. And then you braid. One. You take the inside braid and then you hook it to this. So there should be one here and another one there. So you can use another method, né? I think the easiest method would be if you did you did two separate ponytails, né? I think that would have been easier, two separate ponytails, and then you take your latch hook. You see this? You take a latch hook. You see you can open it and close it. Do you see that? So you take a latch hook, yeah, and then you pull it through where you want it to be, so which is around there, né? So you put it there from the back, and then you hook it, then you close, and then you pull it through, so that it's like this. And then you do the other side as well. Pull it through. Ooh, went through with that other one. And then just pull it through again until it kind of mimics what you did there, né? Guys, I honestly think this is like a better method compared to that long one. But yeah, this one we'll have to like cut it and just cut the excess off and then tie those two ends together. Just keep checking that it's the way you want it, né? So that you get to see the method. Let me just tidy this section up, né? Take enough. Use your latch hook in between there, né? So we're just gonna pierce through there with an open lash hook. Then we hook this and then we close. We close. A piece of the hair and then tie it around. You insert the lash hook under, and then take that hair, close the lash hook, close it, and then pull it through. Ooh. So this is going to be harder because remember this is like, this hair is tangled, so pull it through and that's how you close it. So this is nicely secured. So you can see at the ends it's like a bit tangled. You can cut that off and just trim it. Or you can just make it like a bubble. You can just make it a bubble. That would be cool if it was a bubble. I'm just gonna fix it up. Put it like so. Like So to hide that ribbon there, you can still take a piece of strand and then wrap it around it and then pull it through at the bottom there, né? Just to make it neat. So guys, you should invest in one of these, né? Invest in one of these latch hook handles. Okay, what is it? Crochet. Yeah, crochet tools, because this is like the best thing for natural hair.
Then going away, I'll be back.
Guys, this look like guys, and yeah, see you on the next one. Please share the video, share my videos, guys, share it. It helps the channel grow, and yeah,